And I want to begin by emphasizing the fact that intercultural communication, culturally inclusive communication, unlocks the power of belonging, right? I call myself a DEIB consultant because the belonging piece is really important to me. And in fact, I had the pleasure of recording a course on belonging for managers for BizLibrary, which I believe is going to be out fairly soon. Just keep an eye out for that. But it's extremely important to, I think, understand that belonging is really the outcome of diversity, equity, and inclusion. It's the outcome, but it's different from all of those things. So diversity asks who's in the room, are multiple identities represented and welcomed. Equity asks who isn't in the room. So when we're thinking about issues of equity, we're looking at systemic barriers that might be getting in the way of treating folks fairly. And inclusion asks, okay, now everybody's in the room, but have everyone's ideas and perspectives been heard? Do team members feel seen? Do they feel respected for their unique background, identity, and experience? Belonging, again, as the outcome of all of those things, is really saying, is everyone feeling valued and seen through affirming connections with others? In other words, are people able to be their authentic selves at work and engage their full potential?